Welcome to livingpianos.com. Robert Eschen here with such a spectacular piano, a Petrof, made in the Czech Republic. Amazing instrument, the Monsoon. Yes, it can produce so much sound, this 7'9" grand piano, and it plays like a dream. Renner action, the finest materials and workmanship. And you know what? While Petrof has been around since the 1800s and still under the original family ownership, they're making some of the best pianos they've ever made. Wait till you hear this piano. I'm going to start off just with a short Heller etude, just to get the sound going for you. This one's in D major. Quite a big sound. Let's hear the other side of this piano, though, with something delicate, the middle section of Chopin's B-flat minor nocturne. that's where the beautiful first theme comes back. The level of expression that's possible and the beauty of the tone is really something to behold, isn't it? Let's hear how it opens up, though, with some Chopin. This is near the end of the third ballade in A flat. What a sound, rich and powerful, with a tone all its own. Unique personality out of this Petrof. Such a fine European piano. If you ever get a chance to play one of these, you're invited to come to Living Pianos and try all our pianos. Once again, I'm Robert Estrin, livingpianos.com, your online piano store. See you next time.